What's up guys, welcome to our channel, where today we'll discuss the best immersion blenders in 2023. We prepared this list according to their performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. The Breville BSB510XL offers a 5-speed setting and many great features. Some models make a vortex that pulls the food into the blades. As a result, the suction goes down to the bottom of the container, but with the Breville's blade guard, which is uniquely shaped to reduce this issue and allows you to raise the tool more quickly as you do the blending and helps to prevent extra splatter. It requires a certain amount of up and down motions to bend equally, but is still easy to operate while in use. The rubber handle is soft, narrow, and easy to grip, and the on button is simple to hold down as well. The nonstick edge is on its blender arm means you can blend in your pots without worrying about scratching. The blender attachment easily clips onto the motor and feels firm. It includes a blade guard for safe storage. The lid is an anti-slip mat which can be placed under the jar while doing your blends. And it can also board the chopper attachment, so you can have the advantage of the blending cup's handle while in use. This model also comes with a food processor and whisk attachment. All attachments are dishwasher safe. This low-cost immersion blender does an excellent job blending softer foods such as soups, milkshakes, and whipped cream. It features a 225-watt motor, yet it was enough to incorporate a soup to a smooth consistency within 90 seconds only. It features 2 blending speeds, high and low, that are controlled by 2 large buttons that can easily be pressed down. Of all the immersion blenders, this one has the shortest shaft, 5 inches, which is excellent for small blending, but is very difficult to use in a deeper container. It includes a whisk and an attached food processor, and both are dishwasher safe as well. Another thing to note is that the plastic handle has a wide edge and feels a little slippery to use, making it a hassle to hold, especially if you have tiny hands. The blending attachment did not feel as quite sturdy as the other models we evaluated. It quickly became a go-to for smoothies, which are fairly quiet, powerful, and easy to use. It effortlessly blends the ice and whole strawberries in the smoothie into a creamy, drinkable portion. It also doesn't suction the bottom of its container as much as other immersion blenders, and the blender attachment can be dishwashed and is safe for easy cleaning. One of the favorite features is its thick power cord that doesn't get tangled like others. This is helpful when trying to move around a busy countertop. Nevertheless, if you want no cord at all, there is also a KitchenAid cordless product for smoothies that can be made. Also, the handle is made of rubberized features for a secure grip, and the trigger is easy to press. It doesn't come with many accessories, but it does come with a lidded 3-cup mixing jar that is easy to store leftover smoothies and dressing in the fridge. However, we wish the jar was lit for easy pouring. This straightforward immersion blender from Vitamix creates a thick and smooth berry smoothie, but what's impressive is its ability to create a silky, flavorful, quick mayonnaise. It combines the mixture effortlessly within 2 minutes. While it was the heaviest motor, we found the grip comfortable, and another impressive feature is the lighted indicators in the product. It also has a scratch-resistant substance in the tip of its blade guard, allowing you to easily puree soup in your pots without damaging them. Unlike many other immersion blenders, the Braun has a shifting speed button. That is, the harder you press, the more powerful it becomes when blending. Also, the blade's height can be adjusted. While mixing in time when you push down the handle in use. This adds adaptability because you can blend smaller amounts by lowering the blade. This feature helps create thick, uniform, and rich smoothies. It features a narrow bell-shaped blade guard with no vents, so you don't have to stop the blender from removing food stuck between its product vents. It includes a dishwasher-safe mixing jar, food processor, and whisk attachments.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.